Hey guys, today we're in our camper. Wait a second. Hello. Mom, say hi. Dad, say hi.
Hi.
That's my ditto. So
We're in our camper van.
Exactly.
Camper van.
Ugh.
Better say I love you. You better, you better, you better. When I say I need you, you say you better. You better, you better, you better. Okay. You better not go like.
Hello.
The love will cut you like a knife. Where you going, boy?
You're showing them the outside.
What it looks like outside.
Yeah. We be camping. We be camping.
You.
Yeah.
You.
My
You
man.
better love me. You better love me all the time now. You better love me on the side now. You better love me all the time now.
So, let me give you a tour of the camp. So this is Mom and Dad's room. This is the kitchen, the table, my bed, and the best of all part, the toilet. The toilet is the best part, because I'm poop. Literally in this case. Bonoo, 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 bonoo. So I really don't know why I'm recording this video. Just wanted to get you a bit of a tour. Yeah.
Camper van.
Okay, Dad, are you good, my guy?
I'm good, bro.
Bye now.